Welcome to the rainforest, wild ones. Today, we're soaring above the treetops.
Harness secured, zipline ready. Time to fly like a rainforest hawk.
Flying through the rainforest, look at the life below. Every tree tells a story.
Smooth landing, wild ones. These platforms are nature's tree houses.
From above, the rainforest is endless. Every color, every sound, pure magic.
Walking these rope bridges feels like floating.
Look at that toucan! And a sloth just hanging there. Nature never stops amazing me.
As the sun sets, the rainforest transforms.
Colors,
From zipline
sound.
thrills to canopy sunsets, rainforest, you've been unreal. Stay wild.